The memories of my town. When I recall the days that saw my seod of your beside the verdant shore of a murmuring lagoon, when I remember the sign of the breeze that on my brow, sweet and caressing did blow with coolness full of delight. When I look at the lily white, fill up with air violent, and the stormy element on the sun do meekly sleep, when sweet toxicating scent from the flower inhale, which at the dawn then exhale, when at us it begin to peep. As a lyric call your face, of precious empathy that a mother lovingly did success to remember a simple town. My cradle, joint and bone, beside the cold lagoon, the scent of all my wish. Oh yes, with an uncertain peace, I toured your forest land, and on your river banks, the praise and fun I found. At your rustic temple I prayed, with a little voice, simple faith, in your auras flawless. Great filled my heart with joy profound. So I God is the grandeur of your woods which for centuries stand. Never did I understand in your bosom what sorrow were, while I gaze on your azure sky. Neither love nor tenderness filled me, cause my happiness.